In the basement of this nondescript North Portland house, something evil is in the walls.
Now here's another condition too, where you can see here's a room that looks kind of finished.
It's something Neil Kelly professional handyman Thomas Lifshutz sees a lot in the Northwest, just never this bad. It's not a ghost, it's not a demon, it's dry rot.
That is full dimension 2x4, and when it just takes the screwdriver and eats, whoa, went right through there. That's the problem. So you don't want this in your house. You want to, and you don't want to get close to this. Even
this is an extreme case, but dry rot in our wet climate is certainly not rare. What causes dry rot? Well, it's a slang term that can be a little misleading. Dry rot is caused by water mixing with a biological material like wood combined with oxygen that creates fungus. And fungus has got to eat. It loves decaying wood.
We have paneling, nice wood paneling, but where the moisture got in it, it's all rotten there too.
So this is an exterior wall.
This is an exterior wall. There's been some moisture issues here. We have rot there.
In this case, the problem starts with the gutters and rainwater from the roof.
It was overflowing and it was just pouring right in here and pouring in all of this area here. Water was getting over there, and it's just saturating through that wall and causing all that rot. We need to relocate this, send this drainage out, way out there or way back here somewhere into a dry well, or run it out and into a pump and then pump it back there or pump it out where it can go off natural drainage.
Sometimes the idea of dry rot is pretty frightening. But you know, it's not always as bad as it first appears. When we first encountered this Irvington neighborhood project, we discovered that the bathtub had been incorrectly sealed since the 1950s. What was there didn't look very promising.
The water's got behind the wall and is trapped, and it's got mold spores growing, and it's causing the mold to multiply, and you see the damage there.
Yeah.
It's no way to dry out. I mean, you can see here that it's been saturated for years, I think.
When the Neil Kelly project manager first started looking at the site, he thought there may have been insulation in an interior wall, which would have been uncommon. It turns out the mold was so thick it actually looked like blown insulation, and the crew was sure it would be ripping out chunks of flooring because of dry rot. But 1 week later, after the bathroom was gutted and fully cleaned,
No dry rot at all, as far as I can tell. Yeah. So, no repairs.
the only way to repair dry rot is to remove wood that's been compromised. And in nearly every case, the only way to discover just how far dry rot has spread is to keep demolishing until you reach solid wood. At some point, every home will have some type of dry rot issue. It's just the nature of wood, water, and fungus. One thing is certain: ignoring the problem won't make it go away.